When a sample of gas is collected over water, situations like this, you've got a flask and then you've got some water in the bottom. That's going to be your H2O in there. And then in the flask itself you're going to have a gas sitting over the water, and along with that you're going to have a little bit of water vapor in amongst these gas molecules. And attached to this we might have a pressure gauge. Alright, so when we've got a problem like this, it says a 450 ml sample of gas is collected over water when the barometer reads 770 millimeters of mercury. Well, that's what this pressure gauge is reading. So what it's reading is a combination of px and pH2O. So for 770 millimeters of mercury here equals px plus pH2O. Now fortunately, since we've got a pressure here, temperature, then we can get a vapor pressure. So we've got 27.0 degrees Celsius, and that's going to be 26.7 millimeters of mercury. So if we want px, which is the pressure of the gas here, we can get it by doing 770 millimeters of mercury minus 26.7 millimeters of mercury. So the answer is going to pop out to be 743 millimeters of mercury. Now, looking at significant figures, we've got 0 decimal places here, and we've got 1 decimal place here. So the answer comes out to 0 decimal places. Remember, this is subtraction, so it deals with decimal places rather than significant figures. So I want you to take that into account when you're doing these kinds of problems.